Hello and welcome back. In this session, I want us to discuss a solution to how you can handle a problem that you might face if you already had Python 2 set up on your Macintosh and you also downloaded and installed Python 3 alongside it. Now, the problem that you might face is if you only had Python 2.7 or any version of Python 2 already installed on your Macintosh, then if you typed Python at a command prompt, it should already start the Python 2.7 interpreter in an interactive mode, as you can see in my terminal. Unfortunately for me, I have only Python 3 set up, so I'm not facing this issue. But in case you realize that when you type Python at the prompt, you are getting Python 2.7 instead of Python 3, then what you want to do is you will type Python 3. You have to be specific. So see how I type the Python 3. It is Python and 3, no space between them. And that is going to make sure that Python 3 is indeed started interactively inside your terminal. So this is for only people who have both Python 2 and Python 3 versions installed on their computer. Thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video where we start talking about basic command line skills on the Macintosh operating system. See you soon.